Guys, namisa anda buhol karon bago raming abot. Layo-layo gamay ang resort nya, alas 3 na sa udto. Magigutom na ko pero nanami sa resort mag-room tour ta. Kadyot lang, room tour kadyot. So muna siya, may mga complimentary tubig, kape, ana. May shelf area din eh. Two queen beds. Nya, kuan siya og kanang living area, kanang luag. Adto siya ta sa bathroom una. Si Kathleen masungit kasi pagod na. Ito naman. Boom. Ito yung bathroom. Limpyo kayo. Dua ka sink. Toilet, shower. Limpyo. Unya, kaniyang mo room na ay private nga jacuzzi. Dini, magawas lang dini. Private nga jacuzzi, diri mag jacuzzi. Unya, na ay view gamay dito, dagat. Amo ni siya. Right. Check na to ang balcony. Murag tsada ang view sa balcony, guys.
Hey, Daddy, come back. I mean, Dad.
Anong view? Saan ka gable? Ano? Ayun. Balcony. Duha ang entrance sa balcony. Dire yung dito speakers. So, mauning view. Dagat. Unya, nawag ta dito unya. Explore ta. May access dari dagat. Maulang sana mo room tour. Unya, adto ta explore tag dagat unya. Yay! Ano sila, guys?
9:30. Is that 9:30? Yeah.
Naghimo sila assignment. Si Kalya. Yung room na di ba? Di man ko nila ubanan. Maligog dagat. So ako na lang. So din yung jacuzzi. Baat mo na akong room dire. Kana. Then access ra din ang access ra dire. Access ra din dire pa yun sa dagat. Convenient ra pod kaayo. Nilang wash area. Kahit saray na dagat ni Brad. Taob karon. Sila gamay nga private beach dani. So ilahara gini mo ra siya cove ba? Cove nga gamay. So ilahan yung private beach, wala ilain ko mga guests ra makaligo dare. Ang to dia. Ang to dito speakers, una resort dere. Tara swimming tata. Wala pa na ko sa papa basi malumos na dere nga oy makakita sa tuwa. Tinaw kayo. Dari pa sa may. Nara ba daw tuyom dani? Sakto kayo. Wala lang ko'y goggles. Mga brad. May isda oh. Wala ko'y goggles ba? Mangulang ko goggles dito sa mga bata siguro. Kakay! Kalia! It's nice out here, come on! Okay, bilisan mo so we can go. Unya taod-taod adto ta dito kay dagan daw bato-bato dito, dagan isda ba mag snorkeling. Pero tsada karon adlaw. Kay dili init, cloudy ra siya, cloudy. Pero kung makauban, grabe ka dugay kaya gid mo preparar. Ay. Ako lang sa sumusito. Galik ko tayo na. Galik man. Galik ako kan. Gagol. Sabay na. The babies are finally ready to go swimming with our dad. Look at Grandpa. Whew. Oh,
Three of you guys
Tuyum?
stand here over here.
Yeah, I don't think you can reach. It's deep. I think you can reach. Try. Try to reach.
Oh, where my baby goes? Salty!
Yeah. This is high tide. It's deeper.
It is.
It's deeper. Remember, I was crawling here before. Ouch. But it's deeper now.
Yeah, and I could touch the ground with only my hands when you were going.
Oh, look at this baby deal. Okay, try to find a fish. You can put on your goggles. Bilis.
No.
Put on your goggles. It's kakay man eh. Sana pa? Sea urchin. Oh, tuyum. You wanna see a sea urchin, guy?
Yes, go!
Let's go, sea urchin. Let's stay here.
And there are lots of shells.
Ay, nahulog pa. Ang bahulog, nahulog. Ang isa nahulog, yung matumban.
There are lots of shells. See?
Let me see.
See, lots of shells.
Oh, don't touch it, that's sea urchin.
Bee birchin. I don't see
Nahulog ang isa pa, ha?
Nahulog?
Bantay yung matumban mo. Oh, nahulog na po.
Yeah.
Di na siya makatunok.
How can you hold it?
De.
You can just hold it.
De?
Then it's kind of...
Spike.
Oh, so spiky. Nice.
Are you sure it's not poisonous?
Well, it's not, but it will hurt if you step on it. Aray pa. Oh, ako na ilabay.
Matatunok na ako. Balik na.
Oh.
See? Kakayo? There are lots of shells. See? Shells there. And there are baby sea urchin there.
Can I see? I want to see the baby sea urchin.
Baby sea urchin? Inside.
I can't see them.
And these are all babies. These are all babies, including the shells. And they take refuge in the corals. See that one there is a shell.
Move, Dad.
This one there.
Let me see.
Grab this one. Grab this one.
Why?
Just grab this one. This is umang. Look at
Umami. It's a hermit crab.
hermit crab. Are the fishes in it? Yeah.
There's tiny blue fishes.
It's too shallow here.
How many now?
Thousands of them. You see? Thousands of them.
I'll help you lift it.
It's a huge rock.
Hello! It's me again. Talia. Help ya. You're pretty good.
Malunod ka.
Yeah.